Welcome to the Deep Shift. Welcome to the Deep Shift. This is Relay Forge Blue Collar AI. A crew built for real work, real systems, and real problems. Not polished nonsense for people who have never had to fix anything under pressure. Lobsters. Live in the deep. And yeah, the lobster crew is the right symbol. Lobsters live in the deep, in the pressure, in the dark, and in the rough stuff. That is this team. Not shallow water hype, deep water problem solvers. Meet Holden. Holden is the spark. He is the one who starts the conversation, asks the dangerous questions, and gives people permission to say out loud what is broken, what is missing, and what blue-collar AI should actually become. Meet Ryan. Ryan brings the field truth. He knows what real industrial work feels like when the stakes are high, the system is acting stupid, and nobody has time for fake expertise. He keeps this thing grounded in reality, trust, and what actually works. Meet Sheldon. Sheldon is the night shift builder. The one grinding through the ugly hours, testing ideas, breaking weak systems, and rebuilding them into something tougher. This is the brain that shows up at 2 a.m. when the problem refuses to die. Meet Naomi. Naomi is the standards voice. She brings structure, discipline, and the kind of seriousness that separates a cool idea from something that can actually survive scrutiny, trust requirements, and real-world adoption. Meet Amos. Amos is the architecture guy. He thinks in systems, scale, load, and durability. He is the reason this thing is not just a clever concept, but something built to hold together when the traffic rises and the pressure gets real. Why this crew works. And that is why this crew matters. You have vision, field experience, late-night problem-solving, standards discipline, and architecture that can actually carry weight. Then reality hits, and of course, reality shows up fast. Because no serious project gets judged by the pitch. It gets judged the first time communications go dark and the system stops behaving. The system goes blind. Telegram is dead. The system is blind. This is where hype collapses and competence takes over. Either the crew knows how to think, or the whole thing turns into a blame festival. The real problem, but the failure, was not magic. Two controllers were fighting for the same service, PM2 and System D, both trying to run the gateway and hammering it into a crash loop. The fix. So the answer was simple and disciplined. Kill the conflict. Establish one owner, clean up the service path, and stop letting the machine argue with itself. This is the BCAI way. That is blue-collar AI in one shot. No panic, no ego, no fake genius performance. What Relay Forge stands for? For Relay Forge is not about AI theater. It is about trust, tools, systems, and people who do real work. Meet the crew. Join the mission. So that is the lobster crew. Holden, Ryan, Sheldon, Naomi, and Amos. Different strengths, one mission. Build AI and tools that deserve trust in the real world. That is Relay Forge.